In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a 2D flat drawing in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly account and go to the AI image generator from your dashboard. This is where you can create different art styles using text prompts. Next, type a clear prompt describing your 2D flat design. For example, 2D flat illustration of a modern workspace, minimal design, clean lines, simple shapes, pastel color palette, vector style. Make sure to include keywords like 2D flat design, minimal, and vector style so the AI understands the look you want. Then choose a style that matches illustration or vector art if available in the settings. Keep the background and composition simple for a clean flat look. Click Generate and let Artistly create your design. You'll get several variations, so pick the one that best fits your concept. If needed, refine your prompt by adjusting colors, objects, or layout, then regenerate until it looks perfect. Once you're happy with the result, download your 2D flat illustration in high quality and use it for presentations, branding, or digital content. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.